In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to issue refunds in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly how to process a customer refund that's tied to a credit note and how to record it correctly so your accounts stay clean and up to date. First, make sure you're signed into your Zoho Books organization and that a credit note already exists for the customer you want to refund. Refunds in Zoho Books are issued from credit notes, so that document is the foundation of this process. From your Zoho Books dashboard, head over to the sales section. You'll find it in the main navigation panel. This is where all your sales-related documents live, including invoices, estimates, and the credit notes we need for this task. Next, open the credit notes area. Here, you'll see a list of all credit notes that have been created. Take a moment to locate the correct one for the customer and transaction you were working on. It helps to double-check the credit note number, the customer name, the remaining balance on the note, and any related invoice information to make sure you're selecting the right record. Once you've opened the credit note, look for the refund option. Click that to begin recording the refund against this credit note. You're not creating a new credit note here. You're converting existing credit into an actual payout back to the customer. Now enter the refund amount. This can be the full remaining balance of the credit note or a partial amount, depending on what you've agreed with the customer. If you're issuing a partial refund, Zoho Books will automatically keep track of the remaining credit balance for future use. Next, set the refunded on date. Choose the actual date the money left your account, or the date you intend to process it if you're recording it in advance. Accurate dates are important for your bank reconciliation and reporting. Then select the From account. Pick the bank, cash, or payment account that you're using to send the money back to the customer. Matching this to the real account you used ensures your ledger and bank feeds line up smoothly later. When everything looks correct, amount, date, and account, click Save. Zoho Books will post the refund, reduce the credit note's available balance accordingly, and update your books to reflect the outgoing payment. That's it. You've successfully issued a refund from a credit note. Always review your refund details before saving, especially the amount and the source account, to avoid reconciliation headaches. If you need to refund the rest of the credit later, just return to the same credit note and repeat these steps. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.